To use Buy Now Pay Later on Apple, start by making sure you have the latest version of iOS and that your Apple ID is set up with a valid payment method. Buy Now Pay Later is a feature that allows you to split your Apple purchases into 4 equal payments over 6 weeks, with no interest or fees if paid on time. First, go to the Apple website or open the Apple Store app on your device to find the product you want to purchase. Once you have selected your item, proceed to checkout and look for the Buy Now Pay Later option. You will be asked to sign in with your Apple ID and confirm your payment information. Next, review the terms and conditions of the Buy Now Pay Later plan, which will include the total cost of the item, the number of payments, and the due date for each payment. If you agree to the terms, confirm your purchase and the first payment will be charged to your selected payment method. It is essential to keep track of your payments and due dates to avoid any late fees. You can view your payment schedule and make payments in the Wallet app on your device. Make sure to have sufficient funds in your account to cover each payment. To avoid any issues, ensure that your payment method is up to date and that you have a valid billing address. If you need to return an item purchased with Buy Now Pay Later, you can do so within the standard Apple return window, and your payments will be adjusted accordingly. Best practices for using Buy Now Pay Later on Apple include making timely payments, monitoring your account, and keeping your payment method up to date. By following these steps and guidelines, you can take advantage of the Buy Now Pay Later feature and enjoy your Apple purchases with flexible payment options.